Afraid to smile because of the color of your teeth? That can change with a cheap, effective, and natural way to whiten your teeth, without having to spend so much money at the dentist's office or the use of over-the-counter chemical products. Activated charcoal is a fine-grained black powder made from a variety of natural substances: coconut shells, olive pits, slowly burned wood, and even peat. Activated charcoal shouldn't be confused with the charcoal you use for barbecuing. Barbecue charcoal is manufactured to be a fuel and emits carbon dioxide when heated, which may have a carcinogenic effect on your health. Activated charcoal doesn't contain the types of toxins found in barbecue charcoal. Activated charcoal is great to use orally to whiten teeth and remove plaque. Simply wet your toothbrush, dip a part of your toothbrush into the powder, and then gently tap the edge of the container to remove excess and begin brushing. You'll see a gradual whitening of your teeth as you use activated charcoal. Use it several times a week to maintain and improve the whitening process. And no longer hide your beautiful smile from the world.